Dr. Mike, your engaging way of coming across on video has attracted 25 million plus subscribers and followers now on YouTube, Instagram, and other social media platforms. From the beginning, when you first posted on Instagram about a day in the life of a resident,
Mhm,
I noticed that you were driven by purpose.
mhm.
And I think that relates to what we've been talking about. You have to be driven not just by a passion for the clicks, but a passion for sharing your knowledge. What drives you? What is your overarching purpose from the beginning that motivates you to post on social media? I think this answer is going to be key and people need to understand it.
I think the answer is that I'm always hungry. And I remember that was my opening statement in applying to medical residencies. And the hunger that I'm talking about is not a food hunger, it's a hunger for knowledge. I was always the most curious one in my class. I was always the annoying kid who asked the most questions because I wanted to get down to the truth. And in this day and age where there's so much distrust and misinformation floating across the web, I think it's more important than ever to try and find that truth-seeking opportunity. It's very easy to go on social media and find people that will agree with you. You can get your base riled up very well on social media. We see it in politics all the time. But there's also a way to reach across the divide on social media and get people excited to see the other side that they haven't yet thought about. And that was my real purpose on social media, not just to get people who are excited already about health to watch more health content. It's to get people that normally weren't watching or caring about their health to start caring about their health and investing it early on in their lives where we see the greatest benefit.
What's your overarching philosophy of approaching video and sharing your knowledge?
Human first philosophy. I'm not a doctor first. I'm not a YouTuber. It's a human first philosophy. When we even say the word algorithm, people think machine learning. And while that's true, the machine learning is simply a mirror. It's a reflection of who we are as humans. The reason why the algorithm serves what it does is because of our clicks. The reason why something goes viral is because we spend a lot of time watching it or sharing it with our friends. So if you think about your content with that human first philosophy, and then in a secondary fashion about what your expertise is in, then you're going to get better success. So when we think about how do we succeed on YouTube, we don't think about pleasing the algorithm. We think about how do we get the person to feel like another human is talking to them as opposed to someone who's talking down to them. And that's why I think AI is never replacing that doctor-patient relationship, because it's so important to have another human to hear you, to empathize with your experiences, and ultimately prescribe some sort of treatment to alleviate the symptoms and pain.
Very inspiring. Dr. Mike, thanks so much.
Mine. Thank you so much. Appreciate you taking interest in the topic and keep up the great work. I'm definitely going to check out your work.
Thank you, Mike.